We invited 5 students from different parts of India to join this program with just one goal in mind: practical and real learning.
बढ़िया, मजा आया एक्टिविटीज में.
Behind every successful product, there's product thinking, design, development, marketing, content, sales, and hundreds of people working together.
बैग को फाइनल होने में कितना टाइम
बैग बनाने में तुमको उसे कितना कूल है.
That kind of shit, I don't like it.
ऐसा लगा नहीं, हम इनसे पहली बार मिल रहे थे, इतने इंटरेक्टिव थे ये लोग.
इंडिविजुअल आइडेंटिटी बना.
मजा आया, सीखने को मिला.
हाँ.
आज जो सीखा है, डू यू थिंक वो हेल्प करेगा?
100%.
And for the next 5 days, these students are going to work with experts to build their very own startup idea. They'll gain experience in every single field and learn how work is done on the ground level, all while participating in multiple fun activities and outings. Because we're Sharians, of course we're all about fun while learning.
वेरी चिल, हम मिंगल हो गए आसानी से.
उठा लिया.
इधर दिखा, कहाँ दिखा रहा है, ये सब नाटक तो सुन.
एनवाईसी में मजा नहीं आएगा तो क्या आएगा?
इनसे बहुत कुछ सीखने को हमें भी मिला.
हाँ, हमें भी मिला बहुत कुछ सीखने को.
नहीं भाई, कुछ बोलना नहीं चाहिए. सॉरी.
Every great product starts with an idea. After having a meet and greet and a couple of goodies, our students were ready for their first day. They learned that every successful startup begins with identifying a real problem before thinking about building a solution. The team walked them through market validation, MVP thinking, and how products are planned before development even begins. And then we had lunch because we were hungry, obviously. And then came lesson 2, design. The students spent the afternoon with the design team learning how user experience, color psychology, typography, wireframes, and mock-ups come together before a product is handed over to developers. And after a tiring and productive day, it was time to unwind with a jamming session with the entire team where we learned about each other because socializing is also important. And that was all about day 1. Stay tuned for tomorrow.